How to download StickMan Flash. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to download StickMan Flash. Downloading StickMan Flash is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Google Play Store. On your mobile device, locate and tap on the Google Play Store app. Search for StickMan Flash. In the search bar, type StickMan Flash and press enter. Select the game. Find the StickMan Flash in the search result. Download the game. Tap on the install button. The game will begin downloading and installing on your device. StickMan Flash is a fast-paced action game where you control a stickman to fight enemies, use different weapons and move quickly to survive wave of opponents. Open the game. Once installed, you can open the game directly from the Play Store by tapping open, or you can find the StickMan Flash icon on your home screen or app drawer. And there you go, it's done. That's how you can download StickMan Flash. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.